Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today I'm going to make prawns gravy. It's very easy to make and tasty too. So now let's see how to make it. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil, then add 2 onion finely chopped, few curry leaves and saute until onion turns translucent. Once onion turns translucent, add about 250 grams of prawns which is cleaned and deveined and saute for a minute until the color of the prawn changes to slightly pink in color. Now add in 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 and a half teaspoon red chili powder or as per your taste. Now add some salt to taste and give it a good mix. So this gravy does not require more ingredients. It requires very few ingredients to make and it tastes very delicious with rice, chapati, idli, dosa. So once you mix everything well, add little water. Don't add more water. Just 1 cup of water will be enough. Now give it a mix. Check salt and add salt if necessary. Now boil it in a high flame for 1 minute. So once it's get boiled, cover and cook for 15 minutes in a low flame. So our prawns is cooked well and it has got dried. So that's it. The prawns gravy is ready. So now turn off the flame. So that's it. Prawns gravy is ready. Do try this recipe at your home, and if you like the recipe, click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.